Let's work on getting the header first. I'm in my SQL section here. I'm going to click on the my instance, and I'm going to do the export, see if we can remember how to do that. Okay, so where do I want this to go? I just want this to go into the bucket, so I'll pick the bucket. And I've deleted the header.csv file because I'm going to give it the same name this time around. So the last time it was the header for the batting table. Don't need it anymore. This time it'll be the header for the people table. Okay, so let me rename this then, header.csv, CSV file. Okay, so now the query will be select column name from, and then the database is the information schema, and then the table is columns. And we're going to filter here. We want the table name to be people. So I think that's how we did it last time. We don't need the advanced options because we have the database name here. So let's give this a shot. Okay, it succeeded. So let's go right to the terminal and let's bring it over. So gsutil, copy gs, the bucket, name of the file, and we'll bring it over into header.csv. Okay, let me just list here so I know what's in. Okay, I've got a temp file here. I don't need that anymore, so let me get rid of that. Okay, so here's what I have. These two, which we've been using all the time. So now I've got this header.csv, and if I take a look at it, right, it is vertical like this, so I want to make this horizontal. So we've discussed using translate for that. Okay, so we'll use tr, and what we'll do is we'll translate every new line into a comma. We'll put the header.csv into that, and we'll put it out to a temp file. And I feel pretty confident, so, well, no, let's take a look at it. Temp. Looks great. Okay. So let's move temp then back to header. Okay. So let me go up here and refresh. So let's see, this might be behind my picture, so it's just file down to refresh, just to make sure that the files up here have all these changes. And if I open up header, there it is, and I just need to have square bracket at the beginning, and then at the end I need to get rid of that comma at the end and put a square bracket there, and then finally do Command A or Control A to select everything, copy everything, bring it back to practice, and I'll make this my header. Just paste it in there, and we're ready to go with the header. Okay, so just review on how we did this. Hopefully you were able to do that, and in the next video we'll work this in and try to get the result that I asked for.